Hello guys, welcome to this video. I will show you how to fix sound problem on Among Us game easy and quick. The solution is very easy guys. You just have to open the settings of your phone, click next at apps option and search for Among Us and click. Here guys, you're gonna see this list of options. You have to scroll it down, click on storage, click clear cache right now and back, click add force, stop and click OK. So next you just have to come to Play Store or App Store if you use a phone device and restart your phone after this when you update your game, and after this your problem will be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.